Christmas Eve snow. Yo, look at the amount of snow. That snow is thick. Shit. Oh my. So it practically snowed for a day and a half. And this is the result of it. There's no room to pass on the side. Go on the side. Oh, jump on the side. Let's see how they're going over there. Oh my god. Snow. Road.
Why, oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why.
Yo, welcome to the Eve, Christmas Eve night. Well, Christmas Eve afternoon, actually. It's like around 4:40 in the afternoon, and we had the snow. We had that snow for the whole day yesterday. Actually, a day and a half. It snowed in here, and this is the reason. You see how thick the snow is. The snow is really thick, and then you find those cars coming down like oh my god. But I mean, it says it's gonna be like -2, but you know, anyhow, whether minus or not, the snow on Christmas Day makes it feel like Santa Claus is gonna pass tonight and give me some toy. But you know, that's just a myth. However, it's just a wonderful afternoon, man. I like it. Up until probably, let's say, around the 28th. Well, let's say the ending of the year. And after that, I just want all that snow to just disappear and bring in that sun. But you know, it cannot happen like that. However, this place is beautiful. While waiting for the bus, on the bus stop, I realized the electricity went off, and this is how it looks when it's off in that winter. Just imagine the whole winter without electricity, and now it's back on. Look at how it's looking. It's strange. It happened like that a couple times here. Welcome to a Serbian Christmas. Yes, it is a challenging Christmas. Today is the Christmas Eve, known as Batni Dan, the 6th. So I'm enjoying Christmas for a second time. What a good feeling, 100%. I really like this overshot, but there's another color. There's a brown that I am interested in, and it's pretty as well. Should I buy this one? Yeah, a few others, but the one I like also is this one. Let's see how it fits. lot of them. I just to figure out which color that I need. But they are two good colors. Should I get one of these? I'm still trying to figure out like what would be my sole purpose of using this. Although it's fashionably nice, but I'm still trying to figure out like how would I use it, because I have a pair of jackets and stuff that I cannot use. And to put this one is like, because I sweat a lot, I don't know if this is gonna help me relieve a lot more of the heat, because when I'm using this type of jacket during like the season before winter, I sweat a lot, so but I'm still looking around. I already have this one. Quiet bad new venture here, Christmas Eve, Serbian Christmas Eve. I got my small products, a little bit of juice. There's nothing else I can buy. I mean, seeing everything and hearing everything there was good. So just a little something to be merry for the Christmas, I should say. All the world rejoiced because the king was born at last. A savior had been promised. Now it had come to pass. News of his birth spread quickly far and wide. Joyful once more on this Christmas day. Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. All who are celebrating, all who is not celebrating, we just wish you happy holidays. Extend a warm greeting towards you. Warm wishes for this Christmas. Warm wishes for this holiday. Warm wishes for this new year. Happy holidays to you, one and all. From M&J Time Vlogs, your family, your friend for life living and lifestyle here, Belgrade, Serbia. Yes, today, family, today is Christmas Day. And trust me, I'm still in the soul, still in the mood, still in the happiness, looking for Christmas. I am happy on the inside, trust me. But you know, it's just that outward appearance, that physical appearance I'm looking for, all the decorations, the lights and everything that makes me smile on the inside, you know. We are still continuing the vlog. I am happily looking for Christmas. Also, Yovi is happily looking for Christmas as well too. I know times have been changing so much drastically, and everything has been just going not in the favor of persons, but you know, we still have to keep the Christmas spirit alive. We still have to do everything in our part to ensure that, I mean, friends and family are best taken care of for the Christmas Day. Everyone spread a little bit of Christmas love, a little bit of holiday cheer, a little bit of holiday experience. I mean, even if it's a cup of tea you have, man, yeah, it's still something to be thankful for. Still something to be joyful for, you know. Oh my, but so y'all, look at this. Look at this clip right here. Okay, I want you just all to pay attention to this clip from this movie right here.
To Santa.
What that spelled? Huh, interesting.
Care of the North Pole.
Look what happened next, y'all. This is my first time seeing this in a Christmas movie.
Well, you don't see this very often.
Wow.
Who was that? Who are you? What do you want?
What do you mean, what do I want? It's me.
Who?
Me, I got your letter.
Did you all notice something different about that clip? Did you all notice something strange about that clip? Okay, let's give a little backstory. They said that the child is dyslexic. Yeah, I don't even know that word for myself. He wrote a letter to Santa. And why did he write that name? If he wrote a letter to Santa, why it went all the way down to the hell? That it doesn't make sense for me, because if you're saying that Santa Claus knows whether you're good, whether you're naughty, or you're a good person, then why did the spirit of Christmas, that Christmas magical feeling, made his letter to go all the way down to the pits of hell to reach the devil? It doesn't make sense. Like, doesn't the good outweigh the bad in that scenario of Santa Claus, of having that good heart, that good mind, that positive spirit? So when I looked at it, I was like, wow, this trust me, I've never seen this type of portrayal in a Christmas movie. I think Christmas movies, they are changing. They are relatively changing this year, and I don't know. It's something is getting really out of hand with those movies and them. Because what I accustomed to was the Christmas spirit, everybody getting gifts, writing gifts, Christmas wishes to Santa. Santa shows up, it gives them a really good Christmas feeling. You restore like the hope and the positive vibes towards them, although they may feel down and everything. But at the end, he gives them that Christmas cheer and tell them that everything is going to be good. It's basically what the heart feels towards Christmas and other people. So that's what I grew up with. Now I am seeing that there's a change, like they're introducing another party to the Christmas theme, and that is not, trust me, that is not good. I mean, just for children, even with that disability as well, because that's a disability that has a speech impediment and song impediment, some kind of stuff like that. I don't really know for myself, because I refuse to look at all these type of diseases and stuff, because it makes no sense. How does Santa and Satan fit in the same category? They are different words with different songs. Satan, Santa. Santa, Satan. It doesn't make sense. So I don't know. And then there was his friend also, another black, because it was both of them, it was a black and a white. So his friend, a little black boy with his disability as well, he told his parents, the white child told his parents that the black child has cancer, a disability. It's like, wow, that is not a good light. That doesn't make sense. And then the white child was granted 3 wishes, and then he just basically wanted to be liked by one other girl in the school. Like, why is that type of attitude being portrayed now? Like, isn't children supposed to be wishing for gifts and stuff around Christmas time, and not trying to be liked by other children? It doesn't make sense. because how Christmas is portrayed for children, happiness, toys, gift, expectations from the family, and for the adults it's basically a love, a romantic season, spending time with your loved ones. That is it. But long story short, the black child was like, man, look at where is the letter, look at the letter. He told him to look at the letter properly and look at the name. He was like, man, look at the name properly. So he refused to look at the name properly and believe that it is Santa. When the black child know that with his disability, he knows that that is not Santa Claus. He was like, man, I gone. Forget about you and that stuff. Like, people, it's strange. The Christmas feeling, it's really, really strange. And I don't know. I think I am losing my spirit for Christmas. I really don't know. Well, what can I say? My home is not decorated. I just have my Christmas sweater, which I really like. I really like my Christmas sweater with my white wolf. Oh! But nevertheless, I am just saying Merry Christmas. And also a very, very bright and prosperous Happy New Year to each and every one, because this vlog will be somewhere after the New Year's. I'm not too sure where, but it definitely will be. And yeah, I just wanted to talk to you all about that, because that stuff really, it got me thinking like, wow, first time I've seen that portrayed in that kind of way. Everyone has their own boat that floats, so keeping tradition and keeping the Christmas spirit alive is what I'm here for, is what we are here for. So in all, our snow is melting on the outside. I mean, that snow last night was, yeah, that snow yesterday was terrible. It was just falling like, like you don't want to stop. It's not too cold. It's pretty. See, I saw my neighbor was outside trying to clean a little bit of stuff. But, yeah, what can I say? It's the winter wonderland where the magic happens, yeah? Belgrade, Serbia. Yo, people, it's life, living, and lifestyle. So if you're stopping by the channel for the first time in this new year, consider subscribing to m&jtimevlogs. Consider following us, because it's life, living, and lifestyle. Belgrade, Serbia, and let us just grow and have a wonderful time, being monetized and being recognized by each and every one of you. So family, take care. Wow, I just see a big piece of snow fell from the roof, man. Take care, have good cheer, enjoy it, and be calm, be cool, be confident, and stay tuned to m&jtimevlogs, your daily reminder of all good things that is in here. Serbia Belgrade. Ciao ciao. Vidimo se. Čuvaj se.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.